Hello and welcome to Functional Maths, and today we're going to look at averages and one of the averages. Averages and mean is a collection of a way of looking at data and manipulating it to look at the values and try and drill down and get more of an answer. So this part is looking at the averages and the mean. So I'm going to go over to the next slide. And there's a formula that we need to use to calculate the mean. So we have to add up all the values and then divide it by the number of values, and that will give us the mean. So let's just have a look at that. Let's say I go to a shop and I price up some packets of crisps or some cans of Coke. So a can of Coke, first shop I went into, a can of Coke was 60 pence. And the second shop I went into, a can of Coke was 40 pence. Third shop, 60 pence again. Fourth shop, 40 pence. Okay, so I add up all the values. 60 and 40 is £1, 60 and 40 is another £1, so the total values is £2. And we take those values, we take those £2 and divide it by the number of values. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 values. So I know that £2 divided by 4 gives me an answer of 50 pence. So the mean price for a can of Coke is 50 pence. And that's it. That's the formula that you need to know. So let's have a look at a couple of questions now. So I've got some questions here. And we've got a number of questions. So let's look at that first one. It says question 16, but don't worry about that. So we've got 5, 3, 8 and 4. So follow the formula. Add the values. 5 and 3 is 8. 8 and 8 is 16. And 4 equals 20. So the total is 20. 20 divided by the number of values. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I know that 20 divided by 4, the answer is 5. So the mean value for this set of data here that says question 16, the answer is 5. Let's have a look at another one, the next one along. So we've got 9, 5, 8 and 6, and if we add those up, 9 and 5 is 14, 8 and 6 is also 14, so they come to a total of 28. 28 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4 values. 28 divided by 4 is 7. I know my times table, so that's quite good. So the value there is 7. So the mean for this question is 7. Let's have a look at number 20 on this example. So we've got 9 plus 6 plus 9, we're adding the values. 9 and 9 is 18, plus a 6 equals 24. 24 divided by the values, 1, 2, 3 values, gives us a mean score of 8. Okay, so the answer to that's 8. We'll do one more, the last question there, and then we'll move on to something else. So we've got 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2. 1 and 4 is 5, and plus 5 is 10, gives us an answer of 12. 12 divided by 4 values gives us a mean score of 3. Okay, let's move on a little bit more. So this is more of a question. You'll have to watch my other video on level 1 averages to look at some typical test questions, but this is a bit more of an extended question. Braden travelled 3 miles by bus, 25 miles by train, 9 miles by van, 30 miles by car, 9 miles by bike, and 2 miles he walked. So we've got 3 plus 25 plus 9 plus 30 plus 9 again and plus 2. So we're doing the first part, adding up all the values. Same rule, 3 and 25 is 28, plus 9 would be 37, plus another 30 would be 67. Plus another 9 would be 76, plus 2 equals a total of 78. So 78 miles travelled overall. And how many values have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to work out the mean, 78 divided by 6. Let's just calculate that one. 78 divided by 6. 6 into 7 goes 1. 1 left over. 6 into 18 goes 3. So the mean value, the mean miles travelled, is 13. So the answer to that question is 13 miles. Okay, thanks for watching.